Hi ladies, this is Juliet coming to you live from my living room. Today we're going to be learning about WLPI, Twitter for Professional Development. We talked in class about me giving a possible tutorial, so here it is. Let's get started. Today I'm going to cover a few topics for us, but what I'm not going to cover is how to create a Twitter sign-in. We're going to start by talking a little bit about what Twitter is. Twitter is a service called a microblogging service. Now, if they went around saying, I'm going to microblog, it would not have the same effect as somebody saying, I'm going to tweet it out. Now, if you think of tweets as just little pieces of information that people are sending out all throughout the day, it's really not that overwhelming. In my opinion, it is one of the best resources out there, even better than LinkedIn in some respects, to stay up on current trends. And my reason for this, for liking Twitter so much, is because the information comes at you fast and furious all day long. We're going to cover 3 different ways to find organizations and people that will really improve your ability to connect in the training and development industry. Let's take a more detailed look at my homepage. At the top of my homepage, you will see numbers that show how many organizations I'm following, how many people are following me, and how many tweets or microblogs I've actually sent out. Let's view the organizations and people that I'm following. You will see an icon depicting the person or organization that I'm following, and to the right of that, you'll see the 140 character or less tweet. Some of these are easier to use and read than others. Many of them have what you would call a URL or a link. Let's look over our list of tweets and find something that interests us. This looks like it could be kind of fun. Let's click on this link and notice it will open the information in a new window. Let's say we really, really like this article and we think that it would be something that we would go back to. We can go back to our other window and then mark this tweet as a favorite. When we look at our list of favorites, you'll find that this tweet is included in the list. The first way is probably what you expect, and that is to search for a person directly. In this example, I'm hoping she doesn't mind us using this, we are going to look for Miss Terry Barker. So here we go. We have found Terry. Let's explore this a little bit more. This little box is almost like a mini summary of who you know who might be following this person, and it gives you an idea of what their tweets are like. Since I've already decided that I am pretty happy following Terry, I'm going to click on follow. That was our first example. Let's see what happens when we go to my page and view the organizations and people that I'm following. Notice Terry is now on my list. If we type in ASTD in the search box, you will soon find that they are also tweeting out. Notice that some of those ASTD organizations were the chapters. I'm going to click on follow. I'm sure you've heard a lot of people talking about hashtags. Hashtags are a way of separating the men from the boys, or in our WLPI case, the women from the girls. I'm going to show you some examples of hashtags before we talk about what they are. To make it less confusing, let's use an example that we all know. See what happens when we type in hashtag CCASTD? All of these different people and organization have mentioned CCASTD in their tweets. Another example of great hashtag usage is when there's a specific event. In the professional development world, this is really found when people go to conferences. When other people are tweeting at a conference, even if you can't make the specific session, you can follow along, which is really kind of neat. Now you can see that using a hashtag is really just a way of creating a specific keyword search. So now you can kind of see why I really like Twitter. It's a great way to stay on top of things, and it's fun and it's easy, and I'm pretty lazy. I don't have to do that much work. I don't have to go to the New York Times and all these articles. They're all coming right at me. Well, I hope that this was a little bit helpful for everybody here. If you have more questions, you know where I'm at. Have a great day.